to our second Pali lesson. Yesterday we learned 5 nouns and 5 verbs. Today we learn to make sentences using the nouns and the verbs that we learn. Puriso gacchati, the man goes. Itti agacchati, the woman comes. Samano nisidati, the monk sits. Darako gunjati, the boy eats. Rukko tittati, the tree exists, literally stands. And also we learn 3 pronouns. Aham means I, mayang means we, tuan means you. Thank you. Tumakam tuti hotu. Puna divase puna pasisama. See you again in the next lessons.